Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from CIBC to Scotiabank. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So to get started with the process, you have to log into your CIBC online or mobile app. Then from there, access your account using the online banking or the CIBC mobile app. Then from there, navigate to the Interact e-transfer. Then select the Interact e-transfer from the main menu. Then from then, you have to add the recipient. So to do this, if the recipient isn't already added, choose the add contact. Then enter the recipient's name and email address or phone number. Then save the contact information. Then the next thing to do is to initiate the transfer. So to do this, you have to select the send money money. Then choose the recipient from your contact list. Then enter the amount you wish to send. Then select the account from which the fund will be withdrawn. Then if the recipient isn't set up, you have to, if the recipient isn't set up, auto deposit creates a security questions and answer that only the recipient will know. Then from there, the next thing to do is to review and confirm. So carefully review the transfer details for accuracy and confirm and send the transfer. And that's how you can simply send money from CIBC to Scotiabank. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.